On January 15, 1919, a peculiar disaster struck Boston when a large molasses storage tank burst, unleashing a wave of thick, sticky syrup. This tidal wave reached speeds of 35 miles per hour, engulfing streets, knocking down buildings, and tragically claiming 21 lives. The flood measured 25 feet high at its peak, creating chaos in the North End. Responders struggled against the viscous flood, making rescue efforts difficult. In the aftermath, investigations revealed the tank was poorly constructed and overfilled. The event led to lawsuits and stricter regulations in industrial practices, showcasing how even the most innocent substances can lead to catastrophic results. The Great Molasses Flood remains an unforgettable piece of Boston's history.